Greetings to all melanated people all around the world, and greetings to all the followers of William Branham all around the world, and a special greetings to my brothers and sisters from the 3rd Exodus Assembly in Trinidad and Tobago and in St. Vincent and the Grenadines. And let me say, everyone around the world, they are my brothers and my sisters, and when you hear me address melanated people, it is not that I have any prejudice against any race of people. It's just that my commission, my calling, was to educate melanated people and let them know that they are the people of the sun. Let them know that they are the people of the light. Let them know that they have been miseducated and that the Bible was misinterpreted to them for them to believe that it is secular history when it addresses the human mind and must be interpreted psychologically. When the Hebrew language was not a language that you explore with the breath, it was a language of symbology. And also, based on my experience, when I was 17 years of age, when I was given the coat of many colors and found it to be the rainbow. And those who believe in the message of William Branham, many times William Branham will give you a hint to teach you that the Bible has astrology and astronomy, and that the Bible is basically symbology, and he used shadows and type to show you all of that, and to show you numerology, and to also show you phallic, and to show you many other things that many who run without a message they miss. Okay, and I want to speak to you concerning cursing and the consciousness of the Messiah, or the Christ consciousness. And who is Christ? Christ is anyone in whom God awakes. That's why in Psalm 78 he says, the Lord wake out as of a great sleep. And also in Genesis he told you that Adam went into sleep. He never tell when Adam really awakes. And he told you that Abraham went into a sleep also. It's basically states of consciousness it is speaking to you about. And William Branham preached a message called spiritual amnesia. But many think he was speaking about denomination as a body of people. No. He was speaking about stagnation. He was speaking about being limited when we were supposed to be limitless beings. He was speaking about we were to discover that we are spirit having a human experience. And we see quite clearly in the scriptures that the Christ caused the fig tree because it was fruitless. And the Bible says that you must let your light so shine before men that they may behold a good work. What is a good work? Say wisdom. And glorify the God that they would have seen in you. Because in 1 Kings chapter 3, it speaks about Solomon and the 2 women with the child, and what his wisdom would have done, and how those are wrong perceive that truly God has risen in this one. And it is not speaking of a historical Solomon. Saul is speaking about basically the sun. And it's basically teaching you the mystery of the rising of the sun in a man. The S-U-N. That is why in Malachi 4:2 it tells you the S-U-N, the Son of Righteousness, will arise when healing his wings. And do you know Psalms 84:11 tell you that God is the Son? S-U-N, not S-O-N. Okay? You see, but I don't want to get into the to astrology and astronomy here now. or the zodiac, which William Branham told you guys that the first Bible, you understand, is above. And then the other Bible, pyramid, is in the earth. It's this out here. In the pyramid, you know. That's why we need a lot of sunlight. That's why let's take a lot of it. Okay, we can understand the mystery. And then the one in the paper. When you become the living one, you'll be able to interpret the written one, okay? Yeah, so, as I was saying, because the fruitless fig tree, because we're supposed to be a people of abundance, not only in material things, but in wisdom, in health, and in wealth. But for us to come into that place, as the Prophet William Branham would have told you guys, that when the bride comes to know who she is, it's talking about when you discover your female side within. When you give birth from the skull and fulfill St. John chapter 3, then you will understand when he speaks about Peter being given the keys to the kingdom and whatever he caused in heaven, speaking about it, what his thinking, his thoughts. It will be caused and whatever he blessed in heaven, it will be blessed and out also. You get the picture? It's all mental because Peter is the art of hearing. All the disciples are speaking about attributes of man. 12 attributes. Qualities in us. Because the whole Bible dealing with the physical anatomy of man. Because all things take place in the mind of man. And the entire Bible is being fulfilled within man. Okay? So let us bring forth fruit that is meat for the kingdom. Fruit that will bring wisdom and understanding and upliftment. Let us be light workers. Let us be empathetic to others. Let us be empaths, imparting wisdom to others. And that is why nothing wrong if you do not believe what I am saying and if you disagree. But if you can make more sense of what I am saying, and when you make a comment, it have more wisdom and understanding to others, it will be of great help because the world needs healing. People need healing. Okay? And to Yama bring a message across, and all he can do is hit a button that says dislike. It's not going to help anyone. So my brother, my sisters, don't be the fruitless fig tree. Bring forth fruit. Help heal the world if you have truth. Don't take your light and put it under a bushel. Light a candle and put it on the candle and put it on the candle stand. So let me conclude here by saying, to those who are the idea and the belief that I have something personal against the Exodus Assembly or anyone in the Exodus Assembly, you missed the whole thing. Okay? I first get your attention. Now I'm bringing teaching to you. I'm bringing truth to you. I'm not asking you to accept what I'm saying. I'm asking you to put what I'm saying to work in your life. Start praying according to Psalms 4:4, Matthew 6:6, Songs of Solomon 3. Find the one you love. He's speaking about your desire, your gifts, your talent, your calling, your purpose, and bring her, or bring him Bring the idea. Bring it. The womb that conceive you. You reading me? Okay? So, I think you understand what I'm trying to say to you. That the entire Bible, it's mental, it's psychological. The Bible addresses the human mind, and if you want to be fruitful, and if you're going to bring forth fruit, and if you're going to be the real bride that can stop time, that can do all of these things that we probably talk about, it is basically finding your magical self. And to do that, you cannot interpret the Bible as secular history. For you to see the Bible being real in your life, and you bring forth the true Messiah, or the true God within, it is by you understanding that thoughts become things. That man is not the creature of circumstances, but circumstances are the creatures of man, and you can change them. That's why I say, he that have an ear to hear, let him hear what the Spirit is saying. We are four spirit, and we are all spirit having a human experience. You can't separate life from God, or God from life. There's only one consciousness. It takes a thought to do good. It takes a thought to do evil. So with that being said, my brother and my sister, I want to thank you very much for your patience for listening to me. And I want to give you the sign of Matthew 6:22. It says, if the eye be single, your whole body will be full of light, and you're asked to be the light of the world. Let your light so shine before men. Be the salt of the earth. Let us be salty. Thank you. Love you. I'm out.